Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, January 2nd. My husband's back at work, but all the kids are still out of school. So we are going to go to an indoor playground. Do you need me to do this? What are you doing? You want this? Yes, you do. It is very cold. Okay. This is the outfit today. Washing machine smells like burnt rubber. There's something wrong with it. I think probably because we do like 12 loads a day. The TV is now in our bedroom because we couldn't find any other way to stop the kids from turning on the TV first thing in the morning. The kids have exited the apartment and I need to go catch up with them. I'm gonna bring this in case she needs a nap. You just waiting? Sometimes I stay longer in the elevator than I need to just so I can have a moment of peace. What is going on? We made it.